Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Brother DCP-T830DW driver on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to of course open our browser. Once you open our browser, on the search bar, just search for Brother DCP-T830DW driver download and then click on enter. Once you do that, what we're going to do is to just go into the website of Brother. So just click on this. And then for this part, we're going to choose our operating system, which is Windows. And then for the OS version, just choose your operating system version right here. To know that, just go here on the search bar and then search for system information and then click on open. In this part, you should be able to see it right here under the system type, which is 64, and then of course the OS name, which is Windows 11. Now, just click on Windows 11 right here since that is what I'm using, and then I'm going to click on OK. After that, in this part, we're going to scroll down and then look for drivers, and then we're going to click on printer driver right here. So click printer driver, and then scroll down and then click on agree. After that, let's wait for the file to be downloaded, which is right here. And then after that, we're going to click on show in folder, and then we're going to double click on it. After that, you will see this folder right here. So what we're going to do next is to open our printers. So just search for printers on your search bar and then click on open right here. And then we're going to click on add device and then click on add a new device. After that, click on add a local printer and then click on next. And then for the existing port, just look for any USB port that you would see right here. So in my case, I don't have that. So I'm just going to click on null and then click on next. After that, we're going to click on Have Disk, and then we're going to click on Browse. After that, go here on the Downloads, and then click on the GDI, and then go here in this part. So you will be able to see this one right here, which is this file. So this is what we're going to use. So click on this, and then click on Open. After that, click on OK. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just choose and click the driver that we're using, and then click on Next. And then click on next again, and then the driver will now be installed. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. After that, just click on do not share, and then click on next, and then click on finish. After that, if you look in this part, you will now be able to see the driver. So that is basically it.